To earn $250,000 a year selling final expense, focus on building genuine connections with clients. Start by understanding their needs and concerns, then tailor your approach to offer personalized solutions. Cultivate trust by being transparent and empathetic, guiding them through the process with care. Invest in continuous learning to stay updated on industry trends and refine your sales techniques. Network actively within your community to expand your client base, leveraging referrals and word-of-mouth recommendations. Embrace technology to streamline administrative tasks and maximize your efficiency. Finally, maintain a positive mindset and perseverance, as success in sales often requires resilience and determination. With dedication, empathy, and strategic planning, achieving your income goal is within reach. To excel in selling final expense, thorough knowledge of funerals, including costs of caskets and services, is essential. Familiarize yourself with the offerings of local funeral homes, understanding their pricing structures and service options. Being well-versed in various casket styles, materials, and prices allows you to guide clients effectively based on their preferences and budget. Additionally, having visuals such as pictures of different caskets can aid in client consultations, facilitating informed decision-making. Establishing relationships with funeral home staff can also provide valuable insights and resources for your clients. By being a trusted resource with comprehensive expertise, you can better assist clients in making arrangements that honor their loved ones while managing costs effectively. To learn more, go to www.finalexpensemillionaire.com.